Many people dream of making extra money. Imagine what an additional $20 could do for your daily coffee budget. Now, expand that vision. Think about what an extra $500 a day could do for your life. That amount is not just pocket change, it is life-altering income. This guide explores 5 side hustles with real potential to reach that goal. We will present a clear, simple plan you can follow. We will count down from number 5 to our top pick. Start small, then grow your income stream at a rapid pace. Think of this as a map showing where the treasure is buried. Why $500 per day? That is roughly $15,000 per month and $182,500 per year. It can cover rent or a mortgage, eliminate car payments, and pay off student loans. It builds savings quickly and lets you invest for retirement. It is not easy, but it is achievable. Many ordinary people are already doing it. It is a marathon built on consistent, focused effort. Our countdown begins with online tutoring and coaching. Leverage your knowledge to help others succeed. Teach math, science, history, languages, music, or coding. Or coach in career development, leadership, or personal finance. You can work from home with students worldwide. Example, a math teacher offers algebra and geometry online. She sets a modest $25 rate to attract initial students. Tutoring 4 students per evening earns $100 day, $500 in 5 days. Small group sessions increase earnings per hour and move her toward $500 a day. Step 1. Pick your skill. Be specific and passionate. Step 2. Set your price. Start competitive. Raise rates with reviews. Step 3. Choose your platform. Zoom, Skype, or a tutoring marketplace. Entry level. 15-30 targets HR. Experienced. 60+ each HR. Groups or packages to reach $500. Risk. Finding students. Mitigate with a free 15-minute trial and first session discount. Risk. Burnout. Protect your schedule and recovery time. Number 4. Freelance writing and copywriting. Write blog posts, social media content, newsletters, and persuasive sales copy. Every company needs words that connect and convert. Example, a tech blog writer charges $100 for 1,000 words after building a portfolio. 1 article in 90 minutes, 5 pieces can hit $500 a day. Quality drives repeat clients and steadier income. Step 1. Build a focused portfolio. 3 to 5 niche samples. Step 2. Find clients, platform profiles, and direct outreach. Step 3. Invest in skills. SEO and sales copy. Increase your value. New writers may earn $20–50 per piece. Experienced writers $200, $1,000 plus. Risk. Low pay and lack of work. Fix. Specialize in profitable niches, finance, health, or tech. Risk. Inconsistent workflow. Fix. Deliver excellence and ask for referrals. Turn one-off wins into a reliable $500 a day rhythm. Side hustle number 3. E-commerce and drop shipping. Create a store, list products, forward orders to a supplier who ships directly. Your profit is the spread between retail and wholesale. No inventory, packing, or shipping on your end. $15 cost, $25 price, $10 per sale. 50 sales in a day equals $500. Targeted ads and influencers can scale fast when the product resonates. Step 1. Find a niche with demand but low saturation. Hobbies or specific lifestyles. Step 2. Set up your store on a user-friendly platform. Step 3. Drive traffic. Start with organic content, then test paid ads. Expect 15% to 40% margins depending on product and ad costs. Biggest risk: ads that do not convert. Fix. Start small and test audiences and creatives. Supplier risks, slow shipping or quality issues. Vet suppliers, order samples, and be transparent on shipping times. Yeah, that is basically it. Number 2. Creating and selling digital products and online courses. Create once, sell infinitely. Ebooks, design templates, presets, or courses. No inventory, no shipping, near zero delivery cost and high margins. Example, a designer builds 100 social templates, priced at $50. A week to create, Then list on a simple platform. 10 sales in a day hits $500, and sales can occur around the clock. Pick a topic people ask you for help with. Meal plans, photo editing, budgeting. Build a simple, valuable first version. PDF, spreadsheet, or mini course. Host on a platform that handles payments and delivery. Risk: making something nobody wants. Validate first with a poll or a free mini guide and collect emails. Gather feedback, improve quality, then scale with marketing. That is how digital products create scalable, high-margin days. At number 1 is high-ticket freelancing or consulting. It is the fastest, most direct path to $500 a day. Sell results-driven services to businesses, not just hours. Package your expertise to solve significant, measurable problems. Example: a social media manager positions herself as a lead generation consultant. She delivers a 3-month lead gen strategy and execution. She charges a $5,000 project fee. A few clients per quarter can average well over $500 a day. Sometimes one client is enough to meet the goal while working fewer hours. Step 1. Package clearly what you do, who it is for, and the measurable result. Step 2. Target businesses with the problem and the budget. Use direct outreach. Step 3. Build social proof. Case studies and testimonials after every win. At 1K, 10K per project, 1 or 2 clients a month can hit your target. Risk: landing first clients. Mitigate by doing smaller projects to earn proof, then raise prices. Risk: scope creep. Prevent it with crystal clear contracts and boundaries. Position your work as an investment with clear ROI. This is why high ticket works. Do not pursue all 5. Choose the single best path for you. Commit to 30 days. Track hours and dollars. Improve incrementally. Build momentum with consistent, focused action. We have explored 5 powerful side hustles, each with the potential to reach $500 a day. This is not a distant fantasy. It is an achievable objective. Information alone does not build income. Action does. Your next step is simple. You must choose one. Set a clear daily target and break it into small tasks. Send pitches, create a sample, and set up your platform profile. Track everything and improve one thing daily. Use simple tools, video calls, free design apps, and beginner-friendly platforms. Start lean. Upgrade only when income is consistent. Celebrate small wins and learn from setbacks. Momentum compounds with daily focus. You can change your financial situation and build security. So what will it be? Teach, write, list a product, create a course, or land a consulting client? Pick your hustle. Start today. Your journey to $500 a day begins now.